The cryptocurrency community is now very confused and unsure of what to do next, but this is just the beginning. What am I talking about? This is an urgent video, so let's not waste any time and get right to the point. Disclaimer. In the middle of the wild ride that is the cryptocurrency market, today's developments are nothing short of intriguing. There is absolutely no way the US government is doing what was just discovered. This is not what we expected at all. Recent data shows that Bitcoin ETFs have seen their third straight negative day, demonstrating the asset's legendary resiliency. What makes this news especially noteworthy is that Bitcoin appears unaffected by the declining trend, as evidenced by its amazing 11% increase today. Shiba Inu also saw a spectacular over 10% increase. The background is fascinating. Recently, the approval of Bitcoin ETFs unleashed a tidal wave of buying pressure that flooded the cryptocurrency space with hundreds of millions of dollars every day. As you recall, this surge in demand was crucial in driving Bitcoin to a new all-time high beyond the $70,000 mark. As is frequently the case, other altcoins, like Shiba Inu, rode the bullish wave, experiencing a whopping 200% surge just a fortnight ago. It's becoming increasingly clear that Shiba Inu holds a unique receptiveness to Bitcoin's every move, further emphasizing its symbiotic relationship with the king of cryptocurrencies. However, amid this narrative of bullish momentum, there's been a consistent pattern of outflows from the Bitcoin ETFs. Over the past few days, the market has experienced unprecedented outflows, which has alarmed investors. However, in the midst of these price declines, an intriguing development has occurred within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. One of the whales who owns Shiba Inu made a daring move by acquiring over 300 billion Shiba Inu tokens at the current token price. This acquisition amounts to over $8.6 million, and despite the fact that the market was falling for a while today, the market defied expectations despite the significant withdrawals from the Bitcoin ETF. The cryptocurrency market rebounded. You may wonder why the market pumped despite the significant withdrawals from the Bitcoin ETF. There are a few reasons, but one of them is the emergence of rumors about the possible approval of an Ethereum spot ETF in May 2024. These rumors have been circulating because multiple filings are being updated, which is similar to the process observed with the Bitcoin ETF prior to its eventual approval. The reasoning is fairly straightforward. Consider the significant buying pressure that has been present for the last 2 months due to the Bitcoin ETF alone. Now, imagine the possible influx of additional buying pressure that could materialize with the introduction of an Ethereum ETF. This scenario excites investors and market participants as it suggests a significant capital injection into the cryptocurrency space, further fueling its upward trajectory. However, just as optimism began to peak with the anticipation of an Ethereum spot ETF, a surprising development caught the market off guard. The SEC reportedly made an unexpected move, reportedly issuing several subpoenas to firms in an effort to label IM as a security. According to a March 20 Fortune story, the Securities and Exchange Commission's (SEC) investigation of the Ethereum Foundation may lead to the classification of Ethereum as a security. This assumption has grown as the foundation has made references to the inquiry. Subsequently, the SEC issued subpoenas to a number of US-based companies requiring them to submit financial records and documents related to their business dealings with the Ethereum Foundation. This development has caused some concern among cryptocurrency enthusiasts, as many see the SEC's actions as an attempt to destroy Ethereum. Should Ethereum be officially classified as a security, this could potentially cause problems for the highly anticipated Ethereum ETF. Endangering its endorsement. The effort by the SEC to reclassify Ethereum seems to be gathering steam, especially in the wake of the blockchain's 2022 shift from proof-of-work to proof-of-stake. This regulatory scrutiny casts doubt on the future trajectory of Ethereum and raises questions about the likelihood that an Ethereum ETF will be approved by regulators, but this is only the beginning. The regulatory environment becomes even more uncertain as a result of this development, which adds another layer of intrigue to the cryptocurrency space. The implications of this letter could potentially influence the trajectory of not only Bitcoin but also other cryptocurrencies vying for approval as ETFs. pause for a moment. In an unexpected development, the financial industry giant BlackRock recently disclosed that it has tokenized its BlackRock USD institutional digital liquidity fund into 100 shares on an Ethereum contract. However, this revelation has sparked skepticism and raised eyebrows because it defies logic. Why would BlackRock, with its vast resources and experience, continue to develop initiatives on the Ethereum blockchain if there were serious concerns about its regulatory status? This confusing situation has led some members of the crypto community to speculate that BlackRock might have insider information indicating that EUM is unlikely to be classed as a security. Participation in Ethereum projects would seem counterintuitive, but here's something you should know. In the cryptocurrency world, there is a scenario that has become all too familiar. When fear, uncertainty, and doubt are spread by certain entities seeking to influence market behavior in a particular way, it frequently results in panic selling as investors react to the negative sentiment. What's interesting, though, is that the real heavyweights in the industry tend to respond differently while the masses do not. While some major players may give in to pressure and sell their holdings, they usually don't let it affect them. They are able to see past the noise and identify the fad for what is it? Irrational conjecture intended to loosen up weak hands. These major players have consistently shown themselves to be on the right side of the trade. What sets them apart from the rest is their capacity to maintain composure in the face of uncertainty and make wise judgments based on strong fundamentals. While others flee from the market at the first sign of turmoil, these players remain steadfast in their long-term outlook. Nonetheless, clarity on the subject will only come with time. If an Ethereum ETF were to be approved soon, it might set off a fresh wave of buying pressure that might propel the whole cryptocurrency market, including Shiba Inu, to all-time highs. Until then, all we can do is wait and observe how things play out in the constantly changing world of regulations and cryptocurrencies. Let's set aside our emotions and share some hold statistics via Twitter. Has emerged that, 13 days after smashing previous all-time highs, concisely captures the present market dynamics. It's a sobering reminder that while breaking old records is exciting, the true extent of a bull market's potential may take several months to fully materialize. Peak after breaking old all-time highs between 266 and 315 days. This tweet suggests that we may have about 300 days ahead of us before the bull market truly reaches its peak after surpassing previous all-time highs. It's evident that we're in for a ride full of twists and turns as we navigate through the complexities of the cryptocurrency market, with Shiba Inu and other tokens poised for success. Additionally, let's not forget about the official team of Shiba Inu, who thought that Shiba Inu could reach its all-time high before the upcoming Bitcoin halving event, which is less than 30 days away, when Ju deposed with the potential 300 days of bullish momentum predicted by the tweet to have a major influence on how it develops. But what do you think? Please leave a comment below. I'd be interested in hearing what you have to say. If you're interested in learning more, click one of the films you see on the screen, and this brings this video to a close. In order to help me with the YouTube algorithm, if you liked the video, please like it and don't forget to leave a comment. You can also help spread the word about this story by sharing it with as many people as you can.